old iPad and I want to upgrade myself. So I bought a new iPad for my studies and sometimes for binging. Disclaimer, this is not sponsored video. So I bought this iPad from Reliance Digital. You can also buy it from Amazon, Flipkart and Apple Store. And I will leave the link in this description. Please do check it out. So we'll be unboxing right now and I'm so excited. So, next week I'll be showing you the review. So, stay tuned for that thing and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe and always hit the bell icon so that you'll get updated. Toodles!